This remarkable property, located in a safe and accessible Aranguez location, boasts of a captivating master bedroom ensuite including a jacuzzi and walk-in closets, with 2 additional bedrooms, and another bathroom on the first floor. The extra room on the ground floor, previously used as the maid's area, can easily be converted to a 4th bedroom. Visitors to this beautiful home can comfortably utilize the 3rd bathroom located on the ground floor of the premises. Durable, beautiful, teak cupboards adorn the magnificent kitchen, as well as every bedroom in the home. One of the impressive features of this property is certainly due to the beautiful grounds, as it extends to almost 6 lots of fully approved land. What's even more interesting is the large pool, situated on the property. Once given the required servicing, one can only envision the pool parties and other fun-filled activities that can be held there. Of course, there is a place for everything at this Aranguez retreat. Professionals would be excited to see the office, situated above the large warehouse or storage facility on the premises. Looking for the best of everything? Then look no further. This property is for you. Contact us at info@premieritrinidad.com or call us at 868-470-5664 for your viewing today.